Okay, now after we connect on the outlets to our interface controller, now first of all we will set up our table view. Okay, friend table. And do you remember when you want to work with table, we have to answer two questions. First of all is how many rows, and the second is x row is how is x row. Okay, so first of all we will set up the size of table. So friend table, set number of row. I want to check if file with row type. We already set it to row. Okay, now we will answer the number 2 question is how is x row. Okay, for var I0 I smaller 5 I plus, and we make a new row object cell friend table row controller at index I is as row object. Okay, now we have row objects. With row object we will set the label dot set text. First one we will check, and we want to set up the image. Okay, now I already prepare some image for you. Here you can download this image from our lecture. I will keep it to our project, and remember to copy and add to target in here. Finish. Okay, you can see here we have some Doraemon, Jerry, Kitty, Mickey, and Pikachu PNG. Okay, first of all I will check it to set it to the Jerry. Jerry.png. Okay, now we have to check our table. First day. Okay, now we have our table in here. You can see file row and this row will have label with image. Okay, now we want to set the data inside here is friend, our friends with some friend name, image of friend, age, birthday, and home. Okay, so before we do that, I want to introduce you the class inside of Swift, because we using class in this lecture. So what is a class? I think it's very simple. I have some graphic in here, and you can simple understand the class is like properties of the objects. As you can see example in here. So if we have objects, is how we can image some property of this, like address, like door, like window, like color of this house. So with class how we have some property in here. Okay, similar like this, we have some friend list, some friend with some property like friend's name, image of our friend, age of friend, birthdays, and home. So we will make a class of that, and we will make a array for an x element of array is one friend with friend name, image, age, birthday, home inside of that, and our friend list is our array. Okay, so first of all we will make a class of friend, and how to do that I will show you right now. We will click new file, and class is simple like NF object, so we can make it like NF object. We can make it a friend class. Okay, and remember to add this the friend's birthday. I always remember you to add this because I have some project I forgot to add this and my project is not running. I don't know why. After I research for 1 or 2 days, I find out of that. So you have to add this. Okay. Now in the friends class, we will using some property. Like here you can see friend's name, image, age, birthday, and home. Okay. So I will declare in here. We using name. Okay. Age. We set it to 0. We set it to here. Okay, so our class is here, and you can see our friends class will have some properties: name, age, birthday, home, and image of friend. Okay, it's very clearly. And now we come back in this interface controller, and we will set it to our table. Okay. So first of all, I will make our Doraemon friend is our friend class. Okay, now we quiz Doraemon is one type friend class. Okay, now we set on the property of Doraemon. Doraemon name is Doraemon. Okay, you can see here arrow type because as last time our Xcode have a problem. If you can continue do your job, or you can simply restart your Xcode. Okay, I can continue, but at this moment Xcode will not does not automatically fill out the code for you. So I think we will restart the Xcode. Okay, now we only restart the code. We continue our project Doraemon. That's birthday. We set it to 05/01, whatever you want. Home. Set it to Japan. And Doraemon. Just image. We set it to the Doraemon.png. Okay. Now we will add this to one array. So first of all, we have to create an array to save on this friend. Okay. We can just friend array is Doraemon. Okay, now our array have only one element, is Doraemon. Okay, now we insert number of row is the friend array count. Is a number of friend array element. Okay, and here we will set it to friend array count. And here instead of we set tag to index, we will set tag to friend name. Okay. Friend array element I dot name. Okay. And for image, we will set it to friend array element I dot image. Okay, now check. Oh, we had Doraemon in here. Oh, why we don't have a image in here? Oh, you can see here. On the left side, our image is Doraemon, and we have to see this Doraemon. Now check. Oh, it's okay now. And now we can ask another friend for it to here. Okay, I already prepare for that. You can do if you want. Here. Okay, we have to change this. Now our friend array will ask more Jerry, Kitty, Mickey, Pikachu. Now check. That's perfect. Now you have an image of your friend and some name in here. Okay. Now you can see back to our interface. We want to, when user click this row and we move it to this. Okay. Do you remember to do that? We have to come back to interface controller and set up a new function table and this select row at index. Okay. And now we put controller with name. This name we have to set up on the interface and select our interface detail different interface and set up its identifier here. We can friend detail. Okay, we should copy it and paste it in here. Okay, at that time we set up context is nil. Now we run our application to check when the user click this row, we will move up to the new interface. It's okay. It's okay. But now we want to set up at the detail in our friend interface here. We will need a friend name, age, birthday, and home. For example, when we click the Jerry, in here we have to Jerry, and here is the age and birthday, home, the property of the class, and our. So I think when we click this row, we will send the kitty. For example, if we click the kitty, we will send the kitty object to here, and we will set up our view depend on the kitty. And similar for Doraemon, Jerry, or Mickey, Pikachu. You understand? So you can see in here in context nil. At this time we will send some object in here. I think we will send the friend is equal to friend array. Oh, because we set up a friend array inside of our function await with context, so we can access it to from here. So I think we have to set it up outside of this. In here, friend array is equal to friend class. We will notice that we have a friend array is type array with friend class inside. Okay, friend class element. Okay, friend array in here, and we set it to the row index. Okay, here we have a friend, and we will send this friend to another interface. Okay, now in here we will make a friend equal to contact. This is contact which we already sent from the first interface, but we have to download it to the friend class. Okay, now we will set up our view depend on this friend. Okay, friend name label set text equal to friend dot friend name friend name. You can see here frame as birthday. Okay, I will open this to see clearly. Friend image dot set image equal to UI image dot name is friend dot image. Okay, friend it's label dot set text equal to friend dot it. But you can see here this text is in time, so we have to set up like this. We need a value of 8 inside here. Okay, now next is the birth date label. Birth date label set text to friend dot birth date. Okay, and the last one is home label set text equal to friend dot home. Okay, now we can check it to see how it works. Okay, we have an error here, fatal error cannot index empty buffer. So I think this is problem because we use this function. We have to append our object to our friend array. So we have to friend array append Doraemon. Okay, we copy and paste. Okay, now we can check it. Oh, it's correct now. Finally, okay. Kitty. Okay. So you can see now we can have on the table friend list in here, and each friend is type of our friend class with some properties like image and name, like age and birth date and home. Okay, and you can see how we can send one object to another interface by contact in here. Okay, I think it's very easy. Okay, so if you have any question, please post it and I will answer you. Okay, see you later.